BRS Working President K.T. Ramarao has demanded a probe by central agencies into what he calls a 10,000 crore rupee scam linked to the development of 400 acres in Kanchegachibowli near the University of Hyderabad. The BRS has alleged that ICICI Bank had sanctioned payout against mortgage of what he calls forest land without verifying land ownership details. KTR says a BJP MP, who he did not name, was involved in helping Chief Minister Revanth Reddy.
The government immediately wanted to sell it off and make money, etc., raise money. Now, what they have done is a huge financial mismanagement and a fraud, because the 400 acres of land, technically as per the government's stand, belongs to revenue. Now, they have on paper transferred it to TGIC, but they have not completed the formalities.
The Congress says there is no violation of any kind as the land belongs to the government, it is not forest land, and the money raised was to be used to fulfill welfare promises made by the ruling party.
He clearly showed his burning problem about in his burning issue inside him, that the state government of Telangana is trying to fulfill all the welfare promises with whatever the money they procured from the ICICI Bank.
The Supreme Court had made scathing remarks on the Telangana government and ordered a stay on felling of trees at Kanchegachibowli, questioning what it called compelling hurry to send in JCBs for denuding vegetation from 100 acres, and asked if an environment impact assessment had been done and all requisite permissions had been taken from multiple agencies. The 4th of March is when the government of not just Union of India but states were also given the instruction that give us a idea of how many forests or forest-like areas are there, and the state government was clearly told that you must not, in the 6 months that the report is to be given, not even an inch of land, none of the percentage of forest land should disappear. But what you can see here is all this area that's cleared. There is rock there, there's a neem tree there. The government is in fact denied that this is any kind of a forest land. On the Kanchegachibowli forest land parcel, with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.